Hi, welcome to the Sisa Torah. In this week's Pasha's Sisa, we read about the Jewish people creating the golden calf. And in response to creating the golden calf, Moshe Rabbeinu is told by God, he's given an ultimatum. I am not going to forgive the Jewish people. And instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you and I'm going to create a new Jewish people based on you. You'll be the father of the new Jewish people. And Moshe Rabbeinu says, if you do that, as we discussed last week, he said, erase me from your sefer. It's interesting to note that the words mecheni have the same letters as another two words that we find somewhere else. The Navi, the prophet, in describing the flood, Noah and the Teva, the ark, how they survived the flood is known in the Navi as Mei Noach, the waters of Noach, which also seems to have the same letters as Mecheni, Mem, Yud, Nun, Ches, Mem, Ches, Nun, Yud, same letters. What's the connection? And I think there's a very deep connection over here, because both Noach and Moshe were given exactly the same opportunity. They were both told, I will destroy the entire world, and then I will take you and I will make you into the next Jewish people. Moshe Rabbeinu reacted differently than Noach. Noach, we knew, did not change the world, not one iota. He built the Teva. He tried to convince people. He was unsuccessful, and so God destroyed the entire world and kept only Noach. Moshe Rabbeinu says, forget it. If you're going to destroy the entire world, destroy me with them. I am going with them. I'm not going to stand here and let everybody else be destroyed. It's as if Noach would have said, I'm not willing to build a Teva. Moshe Rabbeinu says, I'm not willing to be the next progenitor of the Jewish people. Either you save these Jewish people or erase me, get rid of me. But we're not having it both ways. And that's the difference between Noach and between Moshe Rabbeinu. The same deal, but a very different outcome. Mecheni and Mei Noach. And this is something we can learn. If we want to make change, we need to put ourselves in the driving seat. And we need to say, we can make this change. Not that we'll wait for everybody else around us. We'll do a minimal bit of, so we can feel better about our confidence. We can say we've done something and then wait to see everything else falls into place. Moshe Rabbeinu teaches us the paradigm that in order to change things, I will change them. And if I have the opportunity, I won't just run away. I will sink in that ship together with everybody else. I am willing to put myself on the line for everybody else. That's the greatness of Moshe Rabbeinu. And that's why Noach is called Mei Noach, because he saves nobody. And Moshe Rabbeinu does with the same letters, with the same words, saves everybody. Wishing you all a very good Shabbos.